Yo, listen, you want to get rid of pneumonia, cough, congestion, you got to drink water. You got to get water into your lungs. Your lungs require hydration, proper hydration, to get rid of that stuff that's in your lungs. The other thing you need to do is breathe properly. Deep breaths in, hold it 5 seconds, let it out. Breathe all the air out. Do this 10 times out in the fresh air, and you're going to clear all those lung issues. Lots of water, proper breathing, and rest. Got to get enough rest. 8 hours a day of sleep, minimum, when you're sick and you're trying to get well.